Today, we're gonna do a cute cut, how to animate, tween on cute cut. First, go to club. Top screen. I'm gonna use my character. We'll go over to other, hide. We'll take everything off until it just shows the arm. We'll change the background, all white or black, doesn't matter. I'm gonna take my shadow off. I usually don't use the shadows. And now you're gonna do that. You're gonna take a screenshot. Go to crop. Just gonna crop it. Crop it until like the little stars aren't showing. And then you save it. Next, you get the next one. Do the same thing. If anything ends up coming out, just, like I said, crop it out. Take this off. I think we'll do the body with the legs. Okay, we're gonna go back. Screenshot it, crop it. Go there. And now we're gonna do that. If you have back hair, take it off. I gotta take this off real quick. Back to other screenshot. Screenshot. Did it work? No. Didn't. There. Got the screenshot. Now crop it until the head's only showing, the stars out. Got that. Now we're gonna put the back hair back on and go back to other, body map 1 and screenshot and crop it to only the hair is showing. And then you go on to Ibis Paint. Let's see. Go to new canvas. Import picture. Let's start with this. We're gonna put it off to the side so they're not all built up onto each other. You go to eraser bucket and erase to where you think the background will be. Next arm, same thing. Background, transform, go to transform, put them like, you build them up next to each other. Go back, body. And there you go. Put that right there. Up the head. Oh my gosh, not again. There. Okay, put that there. Now I got the back hair. I'm just gonna wait a second. There. I'm just gonna go extra slots just in case I forget anything. Of course. And then we're gonna do that. So we're gonna take these off. I think it's easy. It's the easiest just to start with the body. Go to your layer with the body. And then put it like in the middle. Then you get the head. So whatever layer your head's on, and put the head on to where you think it looks best. Back hair, not yet. We'll do the arm. Whatever layer your arm's on, you go there. And we're gonna put the arm right there. The other arm. There. The arm is not in the right spot, so I'm just gonna change it real quick. There. Now I gotta transform it again. It looks good there. Back hair. So gonna go with the back hair under everything. Yes, you have to put the back hair under everything, otherwise it won't look good. After your body looks normal enough, go ahead and start with the top. Press the 3 dots under the delete button right here. Press save layer as transparent PNG for all of them. Repeat the process with all your layers. You can start from bottom or top, doesn't really matter. And then after you've got that, you go to Q cut. Actually, that is for some 90 layer. We're gonna turn the background white. It's easy for me. We're gonna turn it this way. And photo, we're gonna start with this order. Press the little background button and go in whatever order it's in. We'll fix it if it's not good. Don't worry. Now we'll start with this. No. We'll go like this. No. This is starting to confuse me now. Alright, so I'll put the body there. This here. This here. This, no. Absolutely not. No. And this is starting to annoy me on another level. Okay, so put the back hair right here. No, you don't put it right there. Put it right here. Oh my god. Okay, I get it. Back hair goes first. Okay. Then we'll go body. This. No. Like I said, this is starting to confuse me. Arm. Body. Head. Arm. Finally. Okay, so we'll start with animating our arm first. Double tap on the arm and go to this magic wand looking thing. Press on the plus and custom transition. You can move it in however way you want. I'm gonna go down, then press custom transition again, and then you can move it another way. Then go back and press a check mark. You can do the same thing with this if you want to. You don't have to, it's optional, but I am going to move this too. I'm gonna go bear, no. I'm gonna go ahead and press custom transition for the back hair because I want to. I'm gonna move it a little bit and custom transition again, back this way. And then when you're done with that, press the check and see? We got a nice little animation. And there you have it. How to get an easy tutorial on CuteCut. Sorry if I didn't make it clear enough. Bye.